All right, so numbers 8, 9, and 10, and possibly number 11 on this one also. Number 8 should be very simple and easy. We're just finding a common difference. Number 9, again, you just find the first 5 terms, but they only gave you the first term and the common difference. And then 10, they give you the recursive formula there to be able to figure out the next 5 terms, and they give you A1. And then you're going to find that indicated term for number 11. So this should be very simple and easy. This is where some of the formulas are going to start to come into play. So number 8 here. All right, so we'll find a common difference. We're going to go ahead and put all of these parts down. And all we're going to do, first off, again, if you can look at those and tell what the common difference is, or if you can tell like how you're going from 7 to 12, and then from 12 to 17, and then 17 to 22, and you can see that's like 5. You're adding 5 each time. And you can be like, okay, well, the common difference is 5, and be done with it. But if you can't see that, that doesn't register in your mind, so you'll do A2 minus A1, and that'll give us the number 5. And then we'll do 17 minus 12, and that'll also give us 5. So again, here you do A2 minus A1, and then A3 minus A2, and it should give you the exact same answer. If it does, that means you have that common difference. If it doesn't, that means it might be a geometric sequence. You might have to do that. You have to divide them and see if that actually works out, so you get a common ratio. But that's it. That's all you got to do with those. That's all we're looking at. So then let's go to number 9, and we're going to find the first 5 terms of the sequence. And again, they give you what the first term is, A1, and they give you the common difference. Now, throughout this whole time, for some reason, people seem to think that you had to use a formula every single time for everything. Now, with this, they gave you the common difference. They gave you what the first term is. All you have to do is just take the first term and add the common difference to it to get the second term. Take the second term, add the common difference to get the third term. Take the third term, add the common difference to get the fourth term. So on and so forth. And just keep that same pattern flowing. Because again, this is not about you doing extra work or long drawn out work because you have a formula in front of your face. It's one of those things of, if you can do this without it, do it. So again, to find A2, all we do is 2 plus 2. I guess that's 4. So that was A1 right here. All right, and then A3, we take this term and add 2 to it also. That's our common difference. 2 is our common difference. So here, if we get that, that's 6. We do A4, sorry. That is 6 plus 2, which is 8. And for the last one, again, if you can see the pattern that's flowing there, you don't have to work it out. You don't have to actually do this plus this or anything of that sort. You can just tell me what the sequence is. And so here, that's 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that means the last one has to be 10. Because it's following that same pattern, that same flow. And if we do that, that's 8 plus 2, and that is 10. So again, if you have the pattern, you don't have to do all the work. You just do what you need to do to start it off, and then finish it up. So again, it is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So again, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. That's it. All right, and then number 10. All right, so number 10, they gave you this formula, or this recursive formula. Right, so they gave you a recursive formula there, and they gave you the first term, and now you just need to find the next 5 terms, or the first 5 terms. So again, they gave you A1, and then here, if we're trying to find A2, it means n is 2. So here we put 2 in for n also. That's 5. That gives us A1 plus 5, because 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 5. And so 20 plus 5 is 25. 25. Okay. And then A3, we do the same thing. It's A3 minus 1. So that's A2 plus 5. And here A2 was 25 plus 5, which is 30. All right, and then at this point, I'm not going to do any more. I can see a pattern that's flowing. So from 20 to 25, it's 5. From 25 to 30, we add 5. So let's just keep adding 5 to it. That's a common difference. So let's keep adding 5 to it to get to the next one. So if we add 5 to 30, that is 35. If we add 5 to 35, we get 40. And that's our first 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, if you don't have to do all that work, don't do it. Please don't do it. Your goal is not to do a lot of work because it's math. Your goal is to make sure you get the answer and understand why it's the answer. And then this time, I don't really care that you have all the work for it on this test, especially on this test. I don't care that you have all the work, but that you can at least do it and understand what's going on. So at least you show the work for the first couple, and then go ahead and do the rest of it like by the pattern. That's it.